We're going to do a 2-octave C scale. I'm going to move in close so you guys can see. We're going to start on what would be middle C on the piano, and it is our C string. Now, with your right hand, I use different techniques. One of my go-to is to get into what I call my finger-picking position, where specific fingers are taking care of plucking specific strings. My baby finger is not working here. It's just hanging out. So the thumb takes care of the G, and index C, middle finger E, ring finger A. I do this a lot with chord melody. Some of you may be more comfortable just using your thumb to pluck. I'm not very good at that. I think the folks who grew up with this in Hawaii are just virtuosos at this. Doesn't quite work for me being a guitar player. But, try it. See what works for you. You might try one finger, 2 fingers. I tend to use classical guitar techniques sometimes like this, alternating my index and middle. So see what you want to do with your right hand. We're going to call out the strings, the notes with our left hand. So C, open C, D, E, open string, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, let's turn around and make a U-turn. I'm going to do the descending C scale. C, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. You want to learn this. First of all, it's fun. You can use this to pick out melodies just for the fun of it. So, what we're going to focus in on is the pentatonic scale on the first 3 notes, first 3 frets. So, we talked about what the notes are: C, D, E, A, and G. So, let's start with, we're gonna do a descending pentatonic scale. We're going to start with our C here. The next note is an A. So I'm pressing in and then letting go. Let's just try that. C, A, C, A, G, E. So I press in the G, then I let go. Okay, let's try that again with the C. C, A, call it out with me. C, A, G, E, G, E. Now we're going to go to the 2nd fret. And I'm going to press in the D, D, let go. D, let go. Now we're going to go to the G string, 2nd fret. That's an A, and then let go a G. There is your pentatonic scale. It helps me to see the geography of this, that when we're working on the A string and the E string, we're starting on the 3rd fret. When we move to the C string and the G string, we go to the 2nd fret. So do this with me. 2, 3, 4, let go. Now go to the second fret. That's a geometric form. One more time. 2, 3, 4. Now the thing is, you can use this scale to improvise over a lot of songs in the key of C, and use it for fills too, when there's a gap in the song where you're not singing and you can concentrate more on being a soloist on your ukulele. Now, the thing that I discovered was in the key of A. Maybe Nancy understands the music theory of this. I don't. I was able to use that same pentatonic scale. So let me show you. Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. They got crazy little fellas, I'm gonna get me one. It's the pentatonic scale in the key of C. We can use it in the key of A. It's a miracle.